This is our 10th annual Christmas to Remember. We provide Christmas to local families and families also who are in the local hospitals. We provide them with all their Christmas.
Why is this important?
They don't have, this is one less thing that those families have to worry about. They have to worry about their kids. We want to worry about their Christmas. It ease the burden and make their holiday special.
How many kids have participated in AIDS?
Altogether, about 300 kids.
And you do this every year?
This happens every year, absolutely.
And who are the sponsors? I mean, who's responsible for this?
We have a lot of community support throughout the community. We have a large list of donors, supporters throughout the Pittsburgh area.
Anything else you'd like to say?
Thank you, Pittsburgh, for making dreams come true.
Hello, my name is Nicole. I found out about this organization through a friend, and she is helping us with some Christmas presents. And I was diagnosed with breast cancer in September and going through some chemotherapy, and I will have to have some surgery done. And I brought my 3-year-old daughter with us today so that way they could help have a nice Christmas for us since we can't really go anywhere, and help with her Christmas gifts too for us since money's been very tight with all of our medical bills and expenses.
Oh Christmas tree, you fill my heart with gladness. Oh Christmas tree, you melt away my sadness in the sweetness of your glow. I'm reminded what deep down I know, that no matter what this life may bring, in Him my heart can sing. Oh Christmas tree, you bring the warmth of the season. Oh Christmas tree, I won't forget the reason. When I'm weighed down by my loss, I kneel down, recount His love, the cost of a Savior dear who loves me so. Among presents wrapped in lovely bows, at Christmas time we remember a night so long ago, when heaven came down to the earth as a baby born, a virgin's birth. Oh Christmas tree, in Him I find my worth. When I'm weighed down by my loss, I kneel down, recount His love, the cost of a Savior dear who loves me so. Among presents wrapped in lovely bows, at Christmas time we remember a night so long ago, when heaven came down to the earth as a baby born, a virgin's birth. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. In him I find